where I will explain variable in Python for beginner. Variable is like a container. It holds something. Like we hold a cup, and is the variable. You can compare with this, that cup is the number, like a equal to 3. Okay, this is integer. 3 is integer. The number, when we write number 1, 2, 3, full, complete number, full. This is integer. If we write something fraction, it is float. So I'm going to use integer number, a full number. Integer a equal to 3 and b equal to, let's say, 6. Python totally understand this is integer variable. You cannot get to like in C programming without integer a equal to 3. And here we don't need to do it, we can write just a equal to 3. Now I want to do a addition. So addition is C equal to a plus b. A plus b. Is the semicolon, and now print C. We want to print C. Okay. A is integer value 3 and 6. So run. If you run, you see the result is 9. Okay, you can do multiplication like d equal to a into b. Here is multiplication, and print d. Okay, now run it. You see it is showing that 18, 9. Alright, this is variable, an integer variable. Thank you.